Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You know, people often ask me, which credit cards should they get first or which credit cards should they start with? And I typically give the same answer. That's going to depend on several different factors. And in this video, I want to give my personal opinion on which credit cards I think people should start with and why. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards, points, miles, cash back, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to more people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's roll, baby. Hey, before I get started, please do me a favor. Check out the affiliate link down in the description for Monos. With Monos, a new travel standard is here. Monos offers a supremely sleek line of luggage that stands in a class of its own, and you may also get up to 25% off certain items. Also, check out my referral link for Stash, where you can invest with as little as $5. If you use my referral link, you will receive $20 after investing as little as $5. Hey, initially, I wanted to discuss a few different cards that I feel people should start with, but the more I thought about it, I felt like I should approach this as if an individual didn't have any credit and was just starting on their credit card journey. You know, what I want to do right now is I want to start with a secured credit card that I feel is a good choice, and that is the Discover It secured card. A couple things takes place with this card. Is going to graduate into the regular the regular Discover It card after a few months, maybe up to a year, but you have to be patient with that. Now, when it comes to the Discover It card, it's a real credit card. People will not notice a secured card. It's not going to have secured written on the side or written at the top of it. And what's cool about it is it's going to report to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. It's going to look like the regular credit card, and you're going to be getting credit for the payments that you make on this card. Next, with this card, you will receive a refundable deposit. Now, you're going to have to put this security deposit down on the Discover It secured card. There's no way around it. And that security deposit can be up to whatever limit you're approved for. Let's say you're approved for $500, but you only have $200. Then make your security deposit $200, and your credit limit, instead of being $500, will be $200. It's pretty simple, but I really think this is a great card to start with, and one of the biggest reasons I think so, when I got started on my credit journey and I had secured cards, I didn't have this next feature, and that is you will be able to earn cash back with this card. You can earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 each quarter. Plus, you'll also earn an unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Now, another standout feature with this card that you're not going to find on any secured card, you're not going to even really find it on any regular credit card, and that is unlimited cash back match. Discover is going to match however much cash back you earn in your first year. They're going to match it at the end of your first year, and there's no limit to how much Discover will match. So the more you use this card, the more cash back you earn, the more they're going to match. But you have to keep one thing in mind: you have to spend within your means. Don't go crazy. Don't go start buying stuff because you're worried about this cash back match that you're not going to be able to pay back. The Discover It card does not have an annual fee, and it will eventually, again, I said it earlier, it will eventually graduate to the regular Discover It card. Now, let's just say you don't need a secure card. You're able to start out. You don't have to get a secure card. The very first card I would definitely get. Now, it would be the second card if you had to get a secure card. But if you don't, the first card I will get is the Chase Freedom Flex card. The Freedom Flex also has no annual fee, and it is currently offering a $200 sign-up bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months from account opening. Now, Another benefit of the Freedom Flex card, and there's so many benefits, you're going to see why. If I had to get a security card, this would be my second card. If I didn't have to get a security card, this would be the very first card on my list. It also has a low intro APR of 0% for 15 months. Now, I don't recommend carrying a balance. I don't recommend carrying a balance. But having a 0% APR card could come in handy if you run into some type of an emergency situation. With the Freedom Flex card, you do have bonus categories where you can earn cash back. You will earn 5% cash back on a travel purchased through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. You'll also earn 3% cash back on dining at restaurants, which includes takeout and eligible delivery services. You'll also earn 3% cash back at drugstores, and you'll earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases each quarter that you activate. And there's going to be different, like right now, I want to say it's home and no, it's internet and cable services. The second quarter, starting April 1st to June 30th, it is going to be gas stations and home improvement stores. So this card is a winner all the way around. Right now, you'll also earn, temporarily, you'll earn 5% cash back on Lyft rides until the end of March 2022. After that, you'll get 1% cash back on all other purchases. And in addition to everything I just named with the Freedom Flex card, you'll also get purchase protection. You're going to get extended warranty protection. You're going to get trip cancellation and interruption insurance, cell phone protection, as long as you're paying your cell phone bill with the Freedom Flex card, and travel and emergency assistance protection. Now, the next card, the final card that I would look at starting out with, and I would go in this order. I would actually, if I had to get a security card, I would get the Discover It's Secure. Then I would get the Freedom Flex card. Next, I would look at the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. You know, I'm a firm believer in having, you know, I could have went with the Freedom Unlimited, but I'm a firm believer in having different cards with different card issuers. So, you know, if we have to, we're going to start with Discover, then we're going to look at Chase, and then we're going to move over to American Express. You know, and I'm a huge fan of American Express. If you look at some of my videos, that is no secret. The American Express Blue Cash Everyday card currently has a sign-up bonus of $200 after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. Now, it's not like the Chase Freedom Flex where you only spend $500 and get $200. Yeah, you have to spend $1,000, but you're still getting $200 cash back. Now, when it comes to earnings with the Blue Cash Everyday card, you will earn 3% cash back on up to $6,000 at grocery stores in the U.S., at U.S. supermarkets. After that, after you exceed the $6,000, you're going to still get 1% cash back on all grocery store purchases. Now, there are some limitations with this. If you go to your superstores, your Walmart, your Super Targets, or whatever they call it, Target Super Center, or you go to the warehouse clubs like Sam's and Costco, you're not going to get 3% cash back. You're only going to get 1% cash back. Please keep that in mind. You'll also earn, with the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card, you will earn 2% cash back at gas stations, and you'll also earn 2% cash back at select department stores, your Macy's, your Dillard's, your JCPenney's, if you're still rolling there, your Nordstroms. You know, you're going to get 2% cash back, and then you'll get 1% cash back on all other purchases. Now, one thing to keep in mind with American Express Blue Cash Everyday card, you're not going to get cash back. It's going to come in the form of a statement credit when you decide to redeem your cash back. That's definitely something you need to keep in mind. This card also has a 0% intro APR for 15 months from the date of account opening, and it does not have an annual fee. Hey, there you have it. These are my recommendations for credit cards to start with. You know, if you have these cards in your wallet, I'd love to hear about it. Or if you have other recommendations for cards to start with, I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Also, I would highly recommend checking out the Points Blank Travel channel memberships. I'll put a link down in the description. There will also be links to some of the my referral links for different credit cards that will be down there. Do me a favor, I mentioned earlier, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up, smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. It really helps the channel out. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon, baby. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until then, peace, baby.